What does perfect even mean?
Shortbread is my favorite snack, and in today's episode I will be showing you how to make the basic traditional Scottish shortbread biscuits. I'll be showing you this recipe using only 3 basic ingredients. Hello everyone and welcome back to Queen Varieties channel, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel to get instant notifications whenever I upload new videos. Feel free to share this video with your friends, loved ones and family members. It's my tongue, I have it. For this recipe, you require softened butter for best results. Make sure the butter is not hard. Bring out your butter from the fridge 1 to 2 hours before preparation at room temperature. Go ahead and beat the butter with your spatula until it becomes creamy in consistency.
Disgusted with myself and I'm disgusted with the way we're told to have a certain face, a certain weight, because we aren't pixels on a screen. No, we're human.
The next step is to add 1 cup confectional sugar or powdered sugar into the mixing bowl. You can also use the normal sugar as substitute. Sieve and combine all ingredients with your spatula or whisk until you achieve a smooth creamy paste.
Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to think, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10.
Once you have achieved the creamy texture, it's now time to add the flour into the mixing bowl. Add little salt if you are using a non-salted butter. Do not add salt if your butter is already salted, otherwise you end up with salty shortbread biscuits. Combine all ingredients once again to form a dough, making sure you do not overmix once the flour has been added. Drop the dough on the work surface and knead as shown, once or twice only.
Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa. And if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to see. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10.
Transfer the dough to your refrigerator and chill for 1 hour until it is time for it. One hour later, guys, and yes, we are ready to make the Scottish shortbread biscuits recipe. Place a baking sheet inside your tray, though optional, and then bring out the dough from the fridge and drop it on the surface of the tray. Don't worry if the dough has cracks, we will fix that problem very soon. Remember, the dough has been chilling for 1 hour, so the dough is hard to touch but not frozen. And also the dough has a tendency of developing cracks because it is just coming out of the refrigerator. Tap the rolling pin on the dough to loosen its firmness a little bit, or leave it to sit for a few minutes. But let me remind you that it's best to work the dough in this situation so that the butter doesn't dissolve in the oven and then ruin this recipe entirely. Now, with the help of your rolling pin, roll out the dough to flatten a little bit but not too flat. You can also form your shortbreads in different styles, not necessarily this traditional method. If the dough feels sticky, sprinkle a tiny little flour on the dough as you roll and then use your hands to pinch the broken cracks in the dough together. Guys, you must begin to preheat your oven at this segment of preparation so that the oven will be very hot before the biscuits get into the oven to bake evenly.
Can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa. And if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to see. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. 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 Whoa. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10.
Once you have completely rolled out your dough to your desired shape and size, then go ahead and mark lines on your dough for the cutting process. You will notice I used ruler because I am trying so hard as much as possible to make the dough look like the original Scottish basic shortbread biscuit recipe. Anyway guys, it doesn't matter, just do what you can and cut the biscuit to any shape you would prefer to have it. Follow the guidelines in the video and finish the process. When done, use your fork and pierce holes on the dough to make the baking process easier.
And if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to think. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh. Can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down.
When done, use your fork and pierce holes on the dough to make the baking process easier.
For a minute and pretend. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa. And if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to see. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10.
Bake the dough for 35 to 40 minutes on 150 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. After a total period of 40 minutes, guys, your basic traditional Scottish shortbread biscuit recipe is ready. And you can notice a brownish crust on the surface of the shortbread biscuit. That is an indication that this recipe is completely ready. So what you're going to do right now is to slice the biscuits now that it is hot, because if you tend to slice the biscuits when it is cold, it tends to scatter and then lose its defined beauty. So you serve this recipe with anything you want to serve it with, guys. In fact, this recipe tasted much more delicious than the store sold shortbread biscuit because there is no artificial flavorings added to this recipe. This homemade recipe, guys, is 100% recommended and is so crunchy, as you can see, and so delicious, guys.
Honey, I'm a perfect 10.
Thank thank you so much for joining me in today's episode, and I really hope you guys have enjoyed today's recipe. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel to get instant notifications whenever I upload new videos, and please feel free to share this video with your friends, loved ones and family members. Until I come your way next time, bye bye.
Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down.
It's my tongue. I have a bad tongue. I used to bite myself even when I'm talking.